The area of triangle ABC above is at least 48, but not more than 60. If y is an integer, what is one possible value of x? So as I've always said, every question has a concept behind it. This one combines several concepts, among which we'll be looking at the area of a triangle. We'll also be looking at similarity. So let's start off by using this statement here to set up an equation. The area of this triangle. So the area of a triangle, just to remind you, is 1/2 times base times height. And this question says that area of this triangle, this would be the base here, which is 12, and the height is over here, which is unknown, and that's why. But we know that that area, so has to be at least 48, but no more than 60. Let's set this up this way. 48, the area, which is 1/2 times base times height, must be less than 60. So that area is between 48 and 60. Let's plug in what we do know. We know the value of b is 12 right here. So what's half of 12? 1/2 times the 12 is 6, right? So we'd have 6h in here, and then we have the 48 and the 60. Then to solve for h, divide everything by 6. So then we can agree that the height of this triangle is between 8 and 10. So we now know that this y value here, it can be 8, it can be 9, or it can be 10 because it's an integer. Now let's examine how can we figure out the value of x. Now there are 3 scenarios, right? So we'll do the math 3 times when y equals 8, and then we'll do when y equals 9, and we will do the math one more time when y equals 10. So starting out, we need to now employ the triangle similarity rules. We have 2 triangles to look at. We have the little one here, and of course we have the big triangle all the way out here. And it's just a matter of matching the sides. So looking at the little triangle, I can say 5, which is its leg, over x. I should match that with the big yellow one. The 5 on the little one matches with 12 on the big one, matches up with its height, which is y, and we know that y for this one is 8. So our job here is simply to solve for x. Remember, you can cross multiply in this scenario. This times this equals this times this. We're going to end up having 12x equals 40. Divide both sides by 12, and you're going to have 40 over 12 simplifies to 10 over 3. So that's one of the 3 solutions that are possible, right? Let's go ahead and work it out for when y is 9. Once again, we'll say the small one, 5 over x, equals the big one, which is 12 over 9 this time, right? Once again, we're going to be cross multiplying. So we end up getting 12x equals 45. And when you simplify this, divide both sides by 12, you're going to end up getting 15 over 3 as another option. And last but not least, same process, 5 over x equals 12 over, this time our x value is 10, so there it is. Cross multiplying once again gives us 12x equals 50. Divide both sides by 12, you end up getting 25 over 6. So any of these 3 answers are acceptable: 10/3, 15/3, or 25/6. And that is the end of that question. Boom shakalaka.